Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today, first of all, in the beginning of our video, we'll check our homework. So as I promised, today I will be checking with you these numbers: 41, 62, 99, 81, 26 and 30. Okay, first of all, let's see 41. 41 is 41. 41. 62 62. 62. 99 99. 99. 81 81. 81. 26 26. 26. 30 30. So today's I will be teaching you greetings. Tervedus. Okay then. First of all, we'll do a trick like this. Now I will teach you all these words, and in the next slide you all will see another words like this. Okay. First of all, you all can see there is hi and hello. Normally in Finland, for hi we can use two words, moi and hei. It depends on the how you talk and everything. No matter at what time you use moi or hei, you can use both of them in different times. And hello is terve. Hello is terve. Next is see you. See you is nahdan. Nahdan. And the next one is bye. Same way like the hi, and in the bye also we can use two words. They are moikka and heippa. Moikka and heippa. And goodbye is näkemiin. Näkemiin. Okay, now we move to next slide, and now you all can see these words: good morning, good day, good evening, and good night. As in the same way, I will explain to you all what are the Finnish words for these greetings. Good morning is hyvä huomenta. Hyvä huomenta. Without good, you can just say huomenta also. Huomenta means morning. And if you'll tell hyvä huomenta, good morning. Good day, päivä. Same way you can use hyvä päivä or just päivä. And good evening, hyvä ilta. Hyvä ilta. As in the same way, you can remove hyvä and just say ilta. And in good night, you all can say hyvä yötä or oita. Hyvä yötä or oita. Both is same, but normally when we say oita, we don't use hyvä part. Okay, so let's move to the next slide. Here you all can see how are you, fine, thank you, and nice to meet you. And in the same way, how are you is in Finnish language mitä kuuluu. Mitä kuuluu. If someone asks like that from you, you can answer kiitos hyvä or hyvä kiitos. Both are the same. Fine, thank you. Okay. What are the two words? How are you? Mitä kuuluu? And you all can answer as fine, thank you, kiitos, hyvä, or hyvä, kiitos. Next one is nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, right? Yes. As in the same way, there are two words and they are kiva tavata and hauska tutustua. Kiva tavata, hauska tutustua. Okay, my little friends. So I hope that I did a great job today. And if you like our YouTube channel, you all can subscribe our YouTube channel, like our videos and share it with your friends. Then they also can learn greetings in Finnish language and watch our amazing videos. Okay then. See you all in the next video. Goodbye. Nähdään.